So as a beginner, what you need to do is just open your Play Store, then click here search. You click on it, then you search Trust Wallet. You can see it here. I've searched it before. You click on it, Trust Wallet. Now the Trust Wallet will open. Now why it's showing update here is because I've downloaded Trust Wallet before. So you click on it and you allow it to download. Then once you finish downloading it, then you need to go back to your phone. Then I have the Trust Wallet already on my phone. So this place that I take you guys now is my second phone. I clone it. It's my second phone. Here I do some teaching. So you click on it and let it load. Here you can see the Trust Wallet here is showing. Now you click on the Trust Wallet and you allow it to load. Yeah, okay, it's showing me update. So I think I won't do that update. So you can see here now, you can see create a new wallet. Then the second one is add existing wallet. So let me explain. Creating a new wallet is, for an example, like if you haven't opened Trust Wallet before, if you haven't used it on your phone before, then you are free to create a new wallet. But the second one, add existing wallet. For example, if you have been using Trust Wallet before, maybe somehow, maybe your phone got stolen or your phone broke, then maybe you write your phrase down. You can click on this one, then input your phrase, then you can restore your funds and whatever thing that is inside that your wallet. No, now since you haven't done it before, you haven't opened a wallet before, so what you need to do now is to click on this first one, which is create a new wallet. You click on it. Here you will see backup manual. That's your phrase, backup manual. Now you will skip that for now. I will show you guys how to do it. Now you skip that for now. You can come here, click skip. Sorry, click skip. Allow it to load. Now you type in your pin. Is a security pin for you to use it and protect your Trust Wallet. It won't show. It will be blank because of the security purpose for what is it called, for Trust Wallet. So it won't show here. It will be blank. I will use screenshot and show you guys how to do this place. So now I've put in my security pin. Now I've confirmed it. Now welcome on board. Start using Trust Wallet. So you have seen it. You have started using your Trust Wallet. Is very very simple. As this is called Trust Wallet, is meant for you to use it to send or receive cryptocurrency like dollar, any type of coin, Bitcoin, dollar. So you can use it to receive any money that is not naira. So that is just the basic way to download Trust Wallet and start using it. Now I told you guys something about phrase, the one that I told you guys that I'll show you how to do it. Now you need to go to this settings here, then click on it. Once you click on it, you will see wallet. You will see wallet here. You click on the wallet. You will see a three dot here. See a three dot here. you click on the three dots. Now you can see manual backup. Why is showing backup with red right up is because you didn't back it up when you are creating this wallet. So now you click on it. Now you need to turn all these things on. You can see Trust Wallet doesn't keep a copy of your secret phrase. You click them, click this one, then you are good to go. Now this place will still be blank because it's a security phrase for this Trust Wallet. If someone have access to this security phrase, that person will have access to my funds in this wallet. So that's why it's blank. That's why it's black. It's because of the security. That's how it's supposed to be. Now you copy it or you write it down. It's 12 phrase from 1 to 12. You write it down, the words, you write it down. Then after it, you click continue. You click continue. That's just it. So with that now, you can have access to your Trust Wallet maybe whenever you lose your phone or one or two things happen. Now the advantage now, there is something I told you guys earlier using the Trust Wallet. Now that phrase now that you copy, if you want to add it again in another phone, see how you're gonna do it. You need to click on settings, then you come here again, wallet. Now you will see this plus sign is where to add another wallet. Click on it. Now you can see another one. The first thing that I told you guys here now is create a new wallet. The other one is add existing wallet. So let's just say that you have an existing wallet already now. Now you need to click on it. They say secret phrase. You remember that you have copied it already. You click on this secret phrase, then you select multi-coin wallet. You click on it. Here now you can type in your phrase, that your 12 phrase word. You can type it here, and after you type in, no big deal, you restore your wallet. This place now will be showing green, then you can click restore your wallet. So that is it for adding existing wallet. So that is just it for now. I'll still keep in touch with you guys. Thank you.
There are three types of wallets that you three types of wallet that you need to be acquaintance with, to be aware of. The first one is Trust Wallet. Um, the second one is MetaMask, and the third one is owned by Telegram. So you can have a good number of them, Townkeeper and a few other ones that are in that line. Townkeeper seems to be the strongest of them. So being aware of these three wallets will be helpful when you are holding your crypto, your assets. Now, there's something you need to know about holding your assets safe. There are two main types of wallets, custodian wallet and non-custodian wallet. Custodian wallet is the ones like you get in Binance, the one you get in Bybit, KuCoin, and so many other exchanges. Now, they will hold the recovery phrase for you, and they will hold the control of the wallet for you. So if you lose that wallet, you are likely will recover it through the help of the exchange. Now, on the other hand, if the exchange is being hacked, you know that your assets are completely in danger. But non-custodian wallets like the one I mentioned, Tonkeeper, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, these are the three, I think, major ones that you need to be aware of. You get to know a few other ones later on. Now, for these ones, you are the one to hold your recovery phase. So if you lose your recovery phase, you may be in danger of losing your assets. So it's important you keep your recovery phase safe and make sure you keep it in a way or in a place you can easily recover it. So it's important you know all this, okay? Um, so this is MetaMask wallet, and within the MetaMask you can have different wallets created within one MetaMask that you can have them separated. So this is a good example of MetaMask. You can see different wallets separated within the same MetaMask. So that's how the one of MetaMask is, and you can keep different networks. So you can change from one network, this is Polygon, change to Polygon, and then you have the access on Polygon showing. You change to BNB Smart Chain, and the assets you have on BNB Smart Chain will show, and so on and so forth. So that's advantage of this. You can keep different networks, access from different networks within um, this wallet. So this is the Tonkeeper. This is how it looks like. You see here, you can hold different assets from Ton network within this. So you can keep different assets from Ton network. You can also do some other things on this, like buying of crypto and a few other things from this same um, Ton keeper. So these are three main wallets we want to introduce you into, and if you need to download, we can guide you. And before you start making use of it, it's important that you try to write your recovery phrase in a safe place before you begin to use, because missing of your recovery phrase means that you've lost control of your wallet. It's important you know this. So thank you for paying attention to these basic facts about introduction to crypto. God bless you.